Hello, I'm Lisa and I'm going to share my opinion. So the first question is, in your opinion, does artificial intelligence create more opportunities or more risks for human existence and society? Why? So, in my opinions, AI brings many good things to different fields. For example, AI can help doctors find medicine. And in our daily life, AI can also be our personal assistant. But there are also bad things, like possibly making people lose jobs, having unfair business, and causing privacy problems. So the final result depends on how we build and control this technology. Okay, so the next question is, how would you explain the concept of the digital divide and its impact on education or business? The digital divide in the gap technology access and skill in education. This gap means students without internet access fall behind and have limited learning opportunities, while students with easy access get an advantage. In business, it holds back companies and individuals from competing because they can use digital tools. So, the third question is, can you compare how technology has changed communication in the past 5 years with how it may evolve in the next 10 years? As we know, change in communication over the last 5 years will heavily influenced by the COVID-19 pandemic. Being limited in the face-to-face interaction pushed us to rely on social media, videos, and instant messaging as our main way to socialize. Its impact was also felt in our work and education, where working from home and online learning became the new normal. Looking ahead in the next 10 years, communication will be more immersive with technologies like AR or VR. AI will also play a more personal role, and we might even be able to communicate without internet or SIM card, or even just with our thoughts like that. Okay, so the fourth question is, what ethical challenges arise from emerging technologies like facial recognition or genetic engineering, and how so every new technology like facial recognition and genetic engineering has ethical risks with benefits. Facial recognition threatens our privacy because data can be easily accessed and it can cause bias. While genetic engineering might create a new social gap with the idea of dictionary babies. Because of this, society can just be quiet and give up. We have to protect it. We need to ask strong rules, openness from the people who make the technology, and public discussion to make sure technology is used right way. So if so the last question is, if someone argues the technology makes people more isolated, how would you respond and define your point of view? So, my point of view is, even though technology can make people feel more isolated when used specifically, I believe it is more often a tool for connection. Technology allows us to connect with people who are far away, build online communities, and keep relationships alive. Especially during difficult times, the isolation actually comes from how we choose to use the tool. So that's it from my opinion. Thank you and sorry for the mistake.